If you're looking for women handbags ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2018. Top 10 handbag zip winter 2018. Number 1, most popular, by Dasein. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by TZECHO. Number 3, by Alyssa. For more info about this great handbag zip, just click this circle. Number 4, by TZECHO. Number 5, by Michael Kors. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6. Number 7, by Coach. Discover more women handbags ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 8, by Alyssa. Number 9, by TZECHO. The top 10 handbag zip winter 2018 were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by Michael Kors.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.